Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to provide an update on my Robinhood portfolio. Currently, I'm at $285,518, cash position of $24,886. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account, so I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. Most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been extremely optimistic, even with all the uncertainty. Taking a look at my portfolio, my largest position is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. I figure since you can't beat the market consistently, might as well buy a piece of American economy. So VOO, this one, let's see, makes up 17.81% portfolio, or $46,412. This position is up 18.56%. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF, which tracks the technology sector. This makes up 7% portfolio, or $18,318, up 99.9%. Schwab Large Cap ETF, very similar to VOO, Vanguard's ETF, makes up 4.85% portfolio, or $12,630, up 32.64%. Apple is my largest stock position. Majority of the revenue is from consumer electronics and software services. This makes up 7.27% portfolio, or $18,954, up 112.4%. Microsoft, which is big in the enterprise solutions space, makes a 5.25% portfolio, or $13,690, up 115%. NVIDIA, which is big in the GPU and data center space, this makes up 4.98% portfolio, or $12,979, up 92.6%. I see this being a very high growth stock considering that AI is growing as well as the data centers, especially in cloud computing. NVIDIA is definitely going to benefit. Alibaba, which is big in the e-commerce space in China, and they also provide cloud computing services. This makes up 4.9% portfolio, or $12,773, up 31.12%. Visa, which is a payment processing company, makes up 4.6% portfolio, or $12,006, up 81.2%. Amazon, which is big in the e-commerce space in the US, it's crazy to see that it's over $2,600 per share. This makes a 4% portfolio, or $12,469, up 120%. Alphabet Class A shares, which is parent company of Google. Majority of the revenue is from advertisement, online ads. Makes up 2.24% portfolio, or $5,832, up 41.8%. Alphabet Class C shares, which doesn't have voting rights, scrolling down a bit, makes up 1.68% portfolio, or $4,370, up 46.36%. Tencent, which is big in the social media and gaming industry, makes up 3.27% portfolio, or $8,519, up 29.9%. Johnson & Johnson, they're in the healthcare space and pays a solid dividend yield, makes up 3.26% portfolio, or $8,500. This position is up 13.14%. Facebook, the revenue is in online ads. This makes up 3.12% portfolio, or $8,139, up 43%. Boeing, which took a significant dip but has been surging since. This makes up 2.5% portfolio, or $6,542, down 3.15%. And you can see that the surge is very real. You can see that it's been up 66%. McDonald's, they're one of the biggest fast food restaurant chains, makes up 2.3% portfolio, or $6,000, up 24.4%. United Health makes up 2.26% portfolio, or $5,885, up 79%. AT&T, which pays a solid dividend yield. Capital appreciation isn't much, but their dividend yield is very high. Makes up 1.87% portfolio or $4,878, down 8.82%. And I see a lot of their growth coming from their media, so Time Warner Media as well as HBO. They launched their HBO Max mobile app, so hopefully more users, subscribers join that platform, and AT&T benefits from that. Home Depot makes up 1.77% portfolio or $4,631, up 69%. I see a lot of people working on home improvement projects even during these times because when you're at home, you have more time and people always want to improve their home. Costco makes up 1.52% portfolio or $3,978, up 27%. Their membership renewal is very consistent. It's very high retention. So I see Costco and the warehouses business benefiting from that. Let's see. Yeah, Costco and then PayPal. This is going to do well, especially with payments becoming more digital and online becoming bigger. This makes a 1.45% portfolio or $3,783, up 106%. Berkshire Hathaway makes up 1.36% portfolio or $3,549, up 6.62%. 3M makes up 1.28% portfolio or $3,351, down 13.7%. Even though this position's down, I plan to continue holding this in the long term because they have a solid dividend yield. And this is one of those solid income dividend payers. So I'm going to hold it for the long term. PepsiCo makes up 1.17% portfolio or $3,058, up 12.14%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.89% portfolio or $2,327, up 47%. Baozun, which is the Shopify of China, makes up 0.8% portfolio or $2,060, down 6.89%. Cisco, they provide a lot of networking communication solutions, and when everyone's working remotely, Cisco's benefiting from that. This makes up 0.68% portfolio or $1,780, up 14.25%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company makes up 0.67% portfolio or $1,748, up 25.88%. Activision Blizzard, which is one of the largest game producers in the industry, 0.66% portfolio or $1,730, up 9.6%. Disney, I see a lot of growth from Disney once they reopen and their parks open, as well as growth from their Disney Plus streaming platform. This makes up 0.62% portfolio or $1,616, up 23%. Trade Desk, they generate a lot of revenue from their advertisements. So a lot of platforms outside of, let's say, Facebook and Google, even though Facebook and Google are a duopoly and they own a lot of the online ads, there's a lot of other spaces online, essentially digital real estate, to put advertisements on, and Trade Desk helps facilitate that. So it's more programmatic advertisements. This makes up 0.28% portfolio or $727, up 24.93%. Baidu, which is the Google of China, makes up 0.49% portfolio or $1,273, down 37.22%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.21% portfolio or $547, down 17.5%. Ichi, which is like the Netflix of China, makes up 0.14% portfolio or $363, down 40%. Vanguard Megacap Value ETF makes up 0.67% portfolio or $1,752, up 19.55%. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF, which tracks the consumer discretionary sector. This is more volatile than consumer staples. Makes up 0.87% portfolio, or $2,266, up 66%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF, which tracks the healthcare sector, makes up 0.68% portfolio, or $1,768, up 51.8%. Last but not least is Vanguard Industrials ETF, which tracks the industrial sector, makes up 0.49% portfolio, or $1,268, up 15.7%. So that's all my Robinhood portfolio. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. I also plan on increasing my cash position, which is currently at $24,886. I plan to increase this to $30,000, even $40,000. And I have another $30,000 in a high-yield savings account, so I can easily buy when there are opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on my portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.